Attack weight really is the way to go with this thing. And I'm going Cinny. I didn't look who was on the opposing team, but we'll go ahead and get my top jungle here. Level 5. Let's see what we got up here. These guys look like they need some help. And he gets that assist. Yeah, their jungler ganked top too. You need backup? Well, I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. There we go. Pick that one up. Oh, I missed. Pick that sword up. Come on. Yes, sir. Can I get a score in? No, there's somebody there. Alright, I'm gonna report to my jungle, guys. Good luck. Gotta get big and strong. Top lane. Top lane's having the most trouble. I gotta head up there. I mentioned Reggie's coming pretty soon. Oop, oop, oop. There we go. Nice pickup. Yeah. Yeah. Damn, we broke it already, huh? Kinda wanted to stack, my guys. Alright, do we rip this in time? Yeah, we do. Yeah. Keep pressure on. I got 4 points. I'm gonna get... No. Ah, alright, whatever. Whole team's there to defend, so we picked up bottom reg. Eldegoss wants us to gather there for some reason. Oh, because they're coming back. Okay, yeah. It's a good idea. I'm coming. Oh. I feel like it's a little hard to aim the Unite move. But to be honest, I'm just a little bad at it. Alright, here's Lucario. I don't want it with you, buddy. So bye-bye. Oh, there you are again. Let's fight, dude. Let's fight. What you story? Oh, they trying to come up on top. Nope. Sorry, pal. I'm at the 5-minute mark. At 16 points. No, it's not a good idea. Need to up my reticle speed just a tad. Oh. Oh, I still got him. Reggie's here. Pick up a berry. It's leashing. Not good. Yeah, dang it. Oh boy, okay, we got 2v2 down here. Duraludon's gonna pick up the bottom boy. I'll go help out real quick and then get my jungle. Push him back. Oh, we got it. Wait. Yee! That was a good unite. There we go. That's how you aim, baby. That's how you aim. And I'm gonna go score real... Nope. Ow. Woo! Yeah, the attack weight's tough. Attack weight's a little rough. I mean, unless you're laning with the guy. Oh, no, I don't know. And let's get my jungle that I've only grabbed like twice. Team's been real respectable about it. Appreciate it, guys. Got my buffs. Oh, y'all trying to come up on the top? I'm trying to... Okay. Ow. Huh? Nice clear, bot. Nice clear. Nice teamwork. Gonna base real quick, get my health back for this fight. I think I'm gonna tick into 13. I am. Okay. Got my Unite ready to go. We're automatically ripping Ray. I guess I'll keep him away then. The opposing team stole it. That's why it's not a good strategy, guys. That's why it's not the play, guys. No. And it kills me. I think we just need to defend. We might be okay. Close battle. Oh god. Oh god. No. Miss me with that stuff. How are you able to score up top, Ben? No! Oh. Wow. Come on. Put it down. Put it down. Crap. Score! 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 Oh, wow. I lost this one, too, because of a freaking Absol back cap coming from the top lane.